Hey there, fellow art enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of digital art. I'll be creating a whimsical character, a red panda wielding a samurai sword, using my graphic tablet and Adobe Photoshop. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of the artistic process, let's have a little fun and dive deeper into the wonderful world of art. Art, you see, is like magic. It has the power to transform a blank canvas or an empty screen into a realm of imagination and emotion. Have you ever wondered why we're so captivated by art? It's because it speaks a universal language that transcends words. It can make us laugh, cry, or simply ponder the mysteries of life. Think about the joy that a child's crayon drawing brings, or the awe-inspiring beauty of a Renaissance masterpiece. Art has a unique ability to evoke emotions and connect us across time and culture. Now, let's talk digital art and Photoshop. As I embark on this creative journey, I want to share some valuable tips with you. When working in Photoshop, one of the key secrets to achieving depth and realism is by utilizing layers. Think of them as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. This allows us to paint different elements separately, colors, shadows, highlights, and adjust them independently, giving our artwork that multi-dimensional look. So as you watch me create our red panda samurai today, keep in mind the power of layers in your digital art endeavors. But remember, art is not just about technique, it's about self-expression and storytelling. So don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild and infuse your personality into your artwork. And most importantly, enjoy the process. The hours spent sketching, the meticulous attention to detail, and even the occasional happy accidents. They all contribute to the uniqueness of your creation. So, whether you're an experienced artist or just starting your artistic journey, embrace the magic of art. And if you have any questions or want to share your own insights, please drop them in the comments below. We're here to learn, inspire, and create it together. And don't forget, every like and subscription fuels my passion for creating content like this. If you find value in what we're doing here, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more art adventures. Sharing is caring, so share this video with your creative friends who might enjoy it too. As we wrap up our digital journey today, I hope you've enjoyed watching the creation of our red panda samurai as much as I've enjoyed bringing it to life. Remember, art is not just about the end result. It's about the journey, the exploration, and the stories it tells. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, keep those creative juices flowing, take care, and see you in the next video.